When it comes to trimming plants, the dead leaves and such, I've been using my favorite kitchen shears. These are something my father bought me years ago from QVC. I think it's some Swiss brand. I can't even see there. But these work well. They're self-sharpening, but they're also my kitchen shears. I use them on other things, and some plants, I don't think this one, but some plants, some of mine, are toxic. So even though I'm wiping them down with alcohol, these shears between each use, I still don't want to be using my kitchen shears to trim a plant. So I got on Amazon and I found these Vivosun precision hand pruners. Love what you grow. These are made in China instead of the fancy Swiss stuff. But they were quite affordable. I think it was $5.99. Might even have been a little coupon on top of that. Stainless steel blades. They lock into position. So I'll pick these up. I've actually already opened them. And here they are. Nice little trimmers. You can see compared to my previous shears, significantly smaller. And that's a good thing, because one problem I did have with these was getting into the little nooks and crannies of a plant to do some trimming, just like what I need to trim here. Very, very close to some healthy growth that obviously I don't want to harm. So I thought this is as good a time as any to try these out. Now, one thing I did notice, other than the smallness, which I do like and is going to fit in my plant tub where I keep all my plant supplies, is that these are locking. When I went to unlock them, they didn't open. This is the unlocker, but it wouldn't unlock. And I can see the raised notches going to not raised on both sides. Couldn't figure out what was going on. And then I saw the obvious. The little end cap. Pull it open and look at that. The Vivosun work great. It's even a thicker spring than I was expecting for a $5.99 shear, stainless steel. I hope these stay sharp. Now I can see the little curvature of the blades, so it looks like the end, well, no, as they cut. Okay, so as these cut, I don't know how well you can see this, but if I close them here, there's a little bit of see-through. But as I'm cutting, they close upon each other, and only when it gets to the end does it open up here. So I guess that's a good thing. They should work. Let's get these wiped down with alcohol, and I'll give them a try on this plant. All right, this one completely dead bloom here, and it is so close to the others, but I want to get it low. And there's a quick snip. That's how well it works. Snip, snip, snip. Don't want to get my fingers missed there. I just wiped these down with alcohol again. You know, it's very important when you're doing plants to not snip on one and then move to the next plant and snip without cleaning and disinfecting your shears, your pruners, because if you don't, you can easily spread disease and other things from one plant to the next. I'm talking like I'm a plant expert. I've only been doing this for 4 or so months with plants. But that's my initial look here at these Vivosun. I'm very impressed. That says stainless steel, that's screen printing, that obviously there's probably a million different brands with this exact same design and componentry with different brands, but I like this Vivosun. The spring doesn't feel super cheap. There's a hard plastic main body and a rubberized grip. Now I will tell you, this rubberized grip feels really good now, but I suspect that in a year or so it's going to be sticky. You know how the cheap rubberized grips kind of get sticky over time? That'll probably happen with these just based on my early feeling here, but maybe not. I don't know. For now, pretty good. Definitely worth the $5.99. Going to make it easy to get into plants and snip from this point forward, and I don't have to use my kitchen shears and worry about the fact that I'm using this on food bagging and stuff like that, and then on plants. I wiped them down very diligently every time, but I didn't like the idea of potential toxicity from some plants spreading. So there we go, Vivosun. Comment below. Give me your opinions. Do you use these shears, ones like them, shears, pruners, whatever you want to call them? How do you trim your plants? $5.99. I'll put a link down in the description. Note that is an affiliate link. Thanks for watching and have a great day.